Hey guys, Matt Strickland from Modern Realty Guam here. Got baby Matt, my super helper. We're at 561 Ferdinand Way in Santa Rita. Just listed at $599,000. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2,300 square feet home on 1,031 square meters. And that's just over a quarter acre. So come on inside, let's take a look. As we enter the front door, you got a landing area on your left. We have what we call the master suite coming up on the right. There's also a junior suite in this home, meaning they both have en-suites and closets. Come on in to see this. So large space, about a 15 by 20 bedroom. Working our way, we have dual vanities on the right. Walk-in closet on the left. Further down, you have a sunken oasis bathroom with shower and toilet. If we proceed back out, we got kind of a hallway / living room split office space on your right. And then we have a split floor plan. So here we have bedroom 1. Large bedrooms with plenty of natural light, multiple windows, and that one window even faces the ocean. Coming down the hallway, we have separate laundry space with plenty of room for cabinets and storage. The appliances do convey. We have bedroom 2. It's currently being used as an exercise room. And then we have the main bath also currently being utilized, so we'll come back and tour that later. If we proceed towards the living room. Huge living room space, plenty of room for large couches. They have a big screen mounted up on the TV stand. So as you can see, that's a 60-incher, so plenty of space. Coming into the kitchen and dining area, we have plenty of space for a large dining table. We also have the breakfast nook, stainless steel appliances, and open concept kitchen. All appliances do convey, meaning it comes with the property. And then we have a half bath for convenience. Now you've seen the first 2 bedrooms in the master suite. I'll show you the separate junior suite over here. So again, very large bedroom, plenty of room for a lot of furniture or multiple kids, and it has its own ensuite with barn door setup. And as we proceed back from the living room, back to the entrance foyer. Thanks for stopping by. Let us know what you think.